Hi everyone, welcome back to Terraton. Today I would like to discuss an essential component of the PT academic test, the listening highlight correct answer summary section. This task not only evaluates your listening comprehension but also your ability to identify the ideas and main points of a spoken English. In the highlight correct summary task, you will listen to a recording that typically lasts between 30 to 90 seconds. After listening, you will be presented with a multiple summary option and your task is to select the summary that best reflects the content of the audio. While this may seem straightforward, it requires careful attention and analytic skills to determine which summary accurately captures the essence of what you have heard. To succeed in this section, active listening is crucial. As you listen to the audio, focus on understanding the main ideas and supporting details. Pay attention to the speaker's tone and emphasize, as these can provide valuable clues about what the main points are. Here are some effective strategies to help you to excel in this highlight correct summary task notes. While listening, jot down key points, phrases, or keywords. This practice will help you to reinforce your understanding and recall when evaluating summary options. Identify the main ideas. Try to determine the overall theme or a main argument of the audio. Understanding the central message will guide you when selecting the correct summary. Evaluate summary option. After listening, read all the summary options carefully. Look at for the best represent the content without including unnecessary details or inaccuracies. Elimination. If you are unsure about an answer, use the process of elimination to discard options that are clearly incorrect or misaligned with the main idea. Practicing with the simple question is key to mastering this task. For instance, you might listen to a lecture about environmental sustainability and choose the summary that accurately reflects the main point discussed. Engaging with the various audio sources like podcasts or lectures can significantly improve your listening skills and prepare you for the test. In the end, I would like to say mastering the highlight correct summary task in the PTE listening section is essential for achieving your desired score. With the dedicated practice, active listening, and effective strategies, you can enhance your ability to comprehend spoken English and succeed in the part of the exam. Ready to take the next steps towards your dream career abroad? Get a free consultation today. Simply fill out the forms, link is in the description, and pin comments below. Don't miss this opportunity to get an expert advice tailored just for you. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Terraton for more tips on achieving your goals abroad. See you in the next video.